Welcome to Swagzone, the channel that captures real-life moments on the road, where skill, reflexes, and luck are tested every single day. Mistakes, lessons, and close calls all recorded through the lens of a dashcam. Swagzone. Drive with reason, not instinct. On the Krasnodar Federal Road, two Kamazans trucks collided, causing one to tip over and hit a Kia car. When driving, always maintain a safe distance, watch your surroundings, and slow down when necessary. Safe driving habits protect yourself and everyone on the road.
Plant scientist.
What's the name?
Oh, babe, good breaking.
A tow truck incident turned chaotic, showing how quickly situations can escalate on the road. Thankfully, no serious injuries occurred. This clip reminds us to stay alert, anticipate sudden movements, and always drive responsibly. A speeding Scorpio SUV lost control, hit a pole, and brought down a hoarding in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. The incident reminds us that obeying speed limits and careful driving are essential for protecting yourself and the community. Looks like the minibus wanted to jump under the underpass. Gentle reminder, always watch height limits and check carefully before passing. Oh my, just one moment of inattention can lead to a serious accident like this. Always watch traffic lights and your surroundings. A truck loaded with music equipment overturned after taking a sharp turn on a road in Lyon, Nevada. Fortunately, the passengers in the truck were unharmed and the opposing van driver managed to avoid a collision. This incident reminds us to always control speed and maintain safe distance, especially when turning or carrying heavy loads.
Retire! Dang it, I wasn't filming. Miss.
Dang,
All right, so
that was so
It looks like the car almost decided to dance with the stairs. Gentle reminder, always stay alert and watch your surroundings. A truck crashed into a parked car in Jabata Cabal, causing property damage. Fortunately, no one was injured. Seemed to want to greet the sidewalk in a very unexpected way. The dump truck crashed into the orchard due to late reaction when spotting the container truck crossing. Maintaining safe distance and carefully observing the road is crucial. Do you allow your wife to drive? Who do you think should decide who drives in a family?
Bill, give me your mouth. Ah! What?
Oh my! Just a moment of inattention and an accident happens. Always stay focused and watch your surroundings. This truck seemed to want to stage a speed show in the parking lot unexpectedly. Gentle reminder, always check brakes before operating to avoid unnecessary trouble. It's commendable how the bus driver tried to avoid a collision even under pressure. Quick thinking and calmness are vital on the road. Looks like these Kamaz trucks wanted to put on an unexpected tipping show. Gentle reminder, always maintain distance and drive carefully. With traffic packed this tightly, one small misjudgment in spacing turns everything upside down. The image shows the white car moving forward too soon while the truck had not fully cleared the intersection, limiting visibility and prompting an imprecise reaction.
In Vancouver and in Langley. How can a police officer
What do you think was going through the driver's mind when speeding like that on a busy highway? It seems the driver took an unintended detour, sending the truck toward a spot that was definitely not on the route. The car blasted through the red light, causing chaos at the intersection, and nearby tradies rushed in to stop the driver from fleeing. The driver may have combined steering and pedal input too quickly, causing a loss of balance and sending the car past the railing.
Да взад, взад, давай, Слав, взад! Взад! Ой. Мама мия, Слава, взад как-то давай, отъезжай от него, он может взорваться.
In your opinion, was the first link in this chain caused more by the weather or by a lapse in attention? The icy slide created a tense moment, but thankfully everyone managed to avoid harm. Two cars stopped in the lane arguing, forcing the approaching truck to swerve into the barrier to avoid a crash. The situation unfolded as the front truck slowed abruptly, while the one behind couldn't respond in time due to the short following distance. It seems both drivers were a bit too enthusiastic, turning the roadway into a far more complicated scene than it needed to be. The box truck got a bit too close and accidentally brought down the height restriction bar. The Kamaz experienced a brake failure at the stoplight, creating an unexpectedly tense moment. Do you think speed or following distance might have played a role here? It seems the driver forgot to set the parking brake, letting the truck roll unexpectedly. Just a split second of lost control sent the truck straight into the yard. Thankfully, no one was hurt. The Mazda was waiting to turn into McDonald's when a sudden side impact tipped it onto its side. Wow, that reckless red light crossing could have ended much worse. Thankfully, the driver reacted in time. Incredible. With such clear visibility, that crash still happened. The 18-wheeler suddenly lost stability on the interstate, creating a worrying scene for nearby drivers. Goodness, the storefront took quite an impact during this unexpected moment. Thankfully, no one was standing close by at the time. The truck found itself in an awkward situation when the temporarily covered road surface suddenly gave way. The truck probably wanted a pit stop at the gas station in a slightly extreme way. Thanks to the quick reaction of shop employees, the situation was controlled and no one was hurt.
Пустите меня! Женя, целый? Целый! Да ну нахрен!
Just one moment of carelessness and all three cars got involved in a rolling act on the S12.
Oh, that's way worse than last year.
With moderate speed, this accident was mainly caused by inattention and delayed reaction. On December 2, 2024, in Hubei, a car suddenly crashed into a wall and the driver emerged afterward. This incident reminds everyone that driving trucks in residential areas requires low speed and full attention. The intersection turned chaotic in an instant when the car crossed the light and met a truck already in motion, a moment that reminds us how precious attentiveness on the road truly is. Thanks for staying with us until the end of the video. Every day we bring you more interesting moments, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay with us. Share this video if you found it enjoyable. See you again tomorrow.